Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In this video, I'll show you on how you can convert Figma to Framer. Now to make this real simple, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and get the Figma to HTML with Framer plugin. Now, you can just go ahead and click on open in the projects right here, or you can just go ahead and navigate through your project, click on the main menu, and from here you want to navigate through plugins. From here you can just go ahead and search for Figma to HTML with Framer, click on run, and right after that all we have to do is to simply go ahead and click on a layer or element that we want to copy. In my case, I'm going to be copying this specific element right here. Now after copying it with Ctrl C, let's then navigate through Framer right here, and after hitting on Ctrl V, it will then go ahead and show us this message where we then have the ability to go ahead and paste our elements to Framer. So if that didn't work, you can just go ahead and navigate through Figma, right click on an element, and from here you then want to select on plugins. Click on the Figma to HTML with Framer, and from there you want to click on copy to clipboard. Navigate back to Framer, and then you want to hit on the paste button. And as you can see, we have managed to successfully paste a design from Figma to our Framer account. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.